Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to use SmartPaste to easily extract fields from any website that has repeated values. In this example, we're going to use Airbnb and we're going to extract fields that we want from Airbnb from all of the listings as shown in the screen. So let's start by going to Airbnb listing, and we're just going to go over to the SmartPaste tab. So you can open up the SmartPaste sidebar by pressing the icon here. For me, it's pinned, and if you can't see it, you go over to the extensions and you press SmartPaste, and it should show up. Afterwards, you're going to go to the Extract tab and the Field section, and you're going to write down the fields that you want. So in this example, we want to write the name, the price, and the reviews. We can add more things, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to do these three things. So in this case, we have our field set up that we want, and now we just have to select it from the website. So we're going to press this button right here, and we're going to select the name, so the name there, the price, and the reviews, and that's it. That's all you have to do for field selection. Afterwards, what we're going to do is we're going to collect all of these fields from multiple listings into a table. So you're going to go over to the fields to table section right here, and we're going to see that there's an extracted row. In this case, we see that the data is consistent with what we've extracted here, and all we're going to do is we're going to press Add to Table. And now this is the current collection of data that we have so far, and this is not going to go away as we check different things. So we're going to go over to different listings, and as you can see here, we have our new data that is extracted from here. So you could see that the name is right, the price, it's the same location from the page, and then the reviews. And if it's fine, we're gonna press Add to Table, and that's it. That's literally it. So it makes it really easy to collect data that you want when you want it. So other examples of this can be for collecting data from LinkedIn pages or other websites that have data that you want from the same places on the website. So it makes it very easy to do that. So we're just going to collect a couple more things. And once we have our table that we're done with, in order to put it into your Excel or wherever you want it, we're just going to copy to clipboard by pressing the Copy to Clipboard button. Go to your spreadsheet that you want, and I'm just going to paste it. And as you can see, the table that we have aggregated from Airbnb is all here in the same exact format. One more thing you should probably know is that once you want to clear it, all you have to do is press clear, and that'll delete all of your aggregated table. And that's it. That's how you set up fields for extraction and you get that data into a table. Thank you.